What's the meaning of Andy Hardy? Andy Hardy. Andy Hardy. Andy Hardy. Andy Hardy. Andy Hardy.
Andy Hardy is a fictional character in a series of films produced by MGM from 1937 to 1958. The character was portrayed by actor Mickey Rooney. The films followed the adventures of Andy Hardy, a teenage boy growing up in small-town America during the Great Depression. The series became popular for its depiction of wholesome family values and comedic portrayals of teenage angst. The films were also notable for launching the careers of many young actors and actresses. Overall, Andy Hardy represents a nostalgic look at American life in the early 20th century.